5, all of them up there. Yeah, set it down and put your lid on it. We got all 6 trucks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Driver's ready. Turn marshals, heads up. We're gonna go on the tone. Down the back straightaway, your TQ out front. Right behind Indo. That's Zane Horn, Randy Horn, followed by Matt, Carl, Gonzo, and Eric. Here they come. Double, Tate, hit them. Oh, broke it. Bring it here, bring it here, bring it here. Right over here, bring it here. Come on, quickly.
Matt, pick the plane off, Matt.
We have to, over there straight away. Now's the time.
Currently, 1 minutes into this race, and the running order is 1, 4, 2, 5, 6.
I was hoping it would just pop it back on, but it snapped it in half.
Run it over, Kevin.
Okay, your leader is Zane Horn, Carl Bino, Randy Horn, Gonzo, and Eric DeVille. Eric, can you guys bring that off the track? Don't work on it. Block the track out there. If you got it fixed, put it down.
Next is down a lap now. It made it down. You were a lot farther.
Okay, your leader, Zane Horn, out front. Carl Bino left second.
2
Right behind him is Randy Horn.
And the running order is
Good
1,
battle. They're all on the back straightaway, not too far
5,
apart.
6.
Eric, do be aware when that group of cars catches you, that'll be first, second, and third. Gonzo down the front straightaway in fourth. Uh-oh. Grabbing the leader down there. Hot something. Carl Bino goes to the lead. Zane Horn all over him. They're coming through the wagon wheel there. Zane looking the inside. Now Randy Horn is closed in on him. Eric, do be aware. Top 3 trucks, and they are battling and coming up on you.
I see him. Do my best to get out of the
Okay. Okay. I'm just letting you know. There's going to be a group of them. Randy Horn has now taken the lead. Carl Bino in a second, but he gets upside down.
3
Zane Horn goes by,
minutes
takes the lead.
and the running order is 2,
Carl
1,
Bino in third.
4, 5.
Yeah, you guys go ahead and start taking them. Bottom row for Sportsman, bottom row. Watch it in the triple. Help with him, straighten him out. Get him going. Got 4 to make up to move up a position, Matt. You're in 6, but you got 4 laps to make up a position. So, and you got 4 minutes to do it. So your leader is Randy Horn. Uh-oh, your second position, third position upside down there. Carl Bino now moving it up
4 minutes into this race, and the running order is 2, 4, 1, 5, 6, 3.
Carl Bino up second, Zane Horn third, Gonzo fourth. Randy Horn is your leader. He's coming for the triple right now, and he does triple. Carl triples it. And third position, Zane, double single. Double single for Gonzo. And case it for Matt. Watching the triple. Leader. Triple. Triple. Double, single. Three minutes remaining, drivers. 3 minutes
Currently,
remaining.
5 minutes into this race, and the running order is 2, 4, 1, 5, 6, 3.
I got mad. I felt like we could just leave our own bait there.
Dirt gets so hard, it's like concrete. When you run on it, the rubber tires will leave. It's really stark rubber. Okay, 210 to go, drivers. 210 to go. Carl is caught. Randy.
Currently, 6 minutes into this race, and the running order is 2, 4, 1, 5, 6, 3.
So, Randy Horn getting a little breathing room now. Carl now trying to close in on him. They're both coming out of the berm right now, heading for the double. Oh, Carl noses it in, gets almost a lucky roll. Here comes Zane. Zane all over him. Down the front straightaway with 1:30 to go. Randy Horn getting some breathing room.
They have a pro class, but the guys
One minute to go, drivers. 1 minute to go. Randy Horn's your leader. Carl Beadle second. Zane Horn third. Gonzo fourth. Eric Trujillo in fifth. And Matt Snape in sixth.
Currently, 7
One more lap to go,
into
man.
this race, and the running order is 2, 4, 1, 5,
The truck ahead of you.
3.
And that's not going to do it. Nice grindage. 30 seconds, drivers. 30 seconds. Up next, Sportsman.
30 seconds,
Two-wheel
driver.
drive, 13.5. Sportsman, you guys are up next. This is the main event.
Sorry.
He was trying.
He was dying on me.
Randy Lowe. I was going to say, Randy, let him go at it. Never mind.
Finish your lap.
Finish the lap you're on.
6 finished. 3 finished. 5 finished.
He was at for the lead.
Yeah!
504.11, 504.96.
Race over. The finishing order was 2, 4, 1,
If
5.
he would have made it under